Hello guys, I have received the NearLab 2 from SPROLink. I'm so excited to open the box. Now, let's go. Hello guys, this is Andy from SPROLink. Today I'm going to test the live streaming switcher NearLab R2 from SPROLink. This is a very standard and useful item for live streaming and live broadcasting events. Now, let's get started. Okay, now let's get started to open the box. Firstly, let's open the standard box. This is a very standard and universal box for the live streaming NearLab R2. Now this is the R2 box. So we can see this is the box of the NearLab R2, and you can see it is very nice and good looking, and it's very clean and simple. So it is only some few details of the NearLab 2. For example, the model number and also the website here. Okay, guys, you can see that now it is the box of the NearLab R2, and you can see in the bottom there are two stickers. And now let's remove the stickers firstly. Okay, now I cannot wait to open the box and see what is inside. I love this box very much. Wow, now finally I can see the NearLab R2. You can see here, this is the NearLab 2. I love these screens very much. Wow, and you can see that in the bottom of the R2, it is the brochure here. And I can see it is, I don't know what is inside. Maybe I think it is the accessories of the NearLab 2. Later, I will open it and see what is inside, okay? And you can see that it is the sponge. I think this is to prevent the collision from delivery and protect the NearLab R2. I like this design, and I think this is very useful, and it is very useful when you deliver to your customers. So I think this is a very it is very good function for the NearLab R2. Okay, so you can see now I open the NearLab R2 box. Later I will show you what is inside in the box. Okay, now let's open the accessory box. I cannot wait to see what is inside. It's very exciting. So this is the USB cable here, and this is the power adapter. This is the power adapter, and this is the plug, and you can assemble the plug here. So this is a very good design. It is very easy to assemble. Okay, this is the power adapter. Okay, now this is the accessories of the NearLab R2. So now we have already know all the things of the NearLab R2. So later I will show you how to operate and introduce the interface and all the details of the NearLab R2. Okay, now let's move to the topic. I will show you the NearLab R2. In my first slide, I love this machine very much because you can see there are 5.5. I think this is 5.5 inch screens. I don't know what's the function of the screen, but I love this design. And you can see in the back side here, there are a lot of the interface here, the streaming interface, and the HDMI output and the 4 HDMI input. So I think you can connect the 4 cameras here, and also a steer control. I don't know what's this, but I think when I operate it, I will know what is for the steer control. And this is for power adapter. Okay, this is the back side of the NearLab R2, and in the two sides. You can see here, this is the phone interface and the line interface, and also line out interface, and also this is for the LAN cable. And in another side, here is the for fan, for the cooling system. So this is the interface here, and in the front panel, and you can see there are a lot of the knobs and T-bar. You can see here, this is a T-bar. I think this is for the switching. And there are three big knobs here. This knob is for scale, and this knob is for the zoom, and I think this is for the voice. And here there are the different buttons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and also the scene, and also effects, and also here auto. I think this is for the auto switch, and also the menu button. And here it is for the audio, I think. There are a lot of buttons here. So when we connect to the power adapter, we will show you how to operate, and we will see the functionality of the Nearlight R2. So this is the Nearlight R2 introduction. Okay, now we have connect the Nearlight R2, and you can see we have connect the power adapter, and we have connect to HDMI cable here. The two HDMI cable is for the two cameras here. So this is the connection of the Nearlight R2. And now let's move to the function of the Nearlight R2. Firstly, I can see the LCD screens. I love these screens. You can see here, I find it there are the 10 pictures in the screens. So when I connect to the two HDMIs, you can see there are the two signals here. And let me show you how to operate. I don't know how to operate, but let me show you. Okay, so now this is the unboxed video of the Nearlight R2. I think the Nearlight R2 have a lot of features and the functionalities. So I will find out for you. So thank you for your watching.